That's too good. Hey guys, if I log on for, oh, fuck. Excuse me. Oh, ugh, fuck, goddamn. Ah, fuck. That was real good. That felt so good. Woo! Excuse me. Oh, I thought you meant like I need one, like I need to buy one. What? I feel like tonight is the night where I need everyone who likes burps in this room right now. That makes me like tear up. I feel it inside me. I feel it. Oh, fuck. Thank you, Ninja. Oh, shit. Thank you, Ninja. That felt so good. Probably gas will do that to me. Excuse me. No, it doesn't hurt. If anything, it makes my stomach like jumped up, and so I have to stop after a while. Shit. Excuse me. It's all right. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, shit. Oh, that was good. True.